Welcome to this comprehensive walkthrough of BitZ Wallet, a leading platform for managing your digital assets securely and efficiently. In this video, we'll explore every corner of BitZ Wallet, providing you with a step-by-step guide to its features, usability, and benefits. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency or an experienced trader, BitZ Wallet offers an intuitive interface that simplifies asset management. To get started, visit the BitZ Wallet homepage. Right from the landing page, you'll notice the sleek and straightforward design. Navigation is effortless, with clear tabs for assets, transactions, and wallet settings. After signing up with your email and setting a strong password, you can access the dashboard, where all your cryptocurrencies are listed in one convenient place. The wallet supports a variety of cryptocurrencies, making it an excellent choice for those who manage multiple coins. You can deposit funds by selecting the deposit option and copying your unique wallet address. Security is a top priority, with advanced encryption and two-factor authentication options available to safeguard your funds. Now, let's look at transactions. Sending and receiving cryptocurrencies is seamless. To send funds, choose your cryptocurrency, enter the recipient's address, specify the amount, and confirm. You'll appreciate the transparency with real-time updates and transaction histories displayed clearly in the app. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign-up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Returning to BitZ Wallet, its unique feature set stands out. The wallet includes a built-in market tracker, allowing you to monitor cryptocurrency prices without leaving the app. This is a fantastic tool for traders and investors. Additionally, BitZ Wallet provides seamless integration with decentralized exchanges, enabling you to swap tokens directly from your wallet. For enhanced convenience, the app is available on both desktop and mobile platforms. The mobile app replicates the functionality of the desktop version, ensuring you can manage your portfolio on the go. You'll also appreciate the customer support team, which is available around the clock to assist with any queries or technical issues. That's it for this in-depth look at BitZ Wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful cryptocurrency guides and reviews.